Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily non-phone work from home job lead for you. But real quickly, before we dive in, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have left comments over my videos over the past few days, letting me know what video format you prefer, whether you prefer the short one job lead videos or you prefer the longer videos that have multiple job leads in it. So if you haven't let me know already, please leave a comment down below and let me know which format you prefer. Right now, I'm trying to mix it up and do a little bit of both. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this job lead or any job leads that I share, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm on the right track, sharing things that are helpful to you or that you enjoy seeing. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Slickdeals. Now, of course, I always try to do some research on the company before sharing, but please always do your own research before giving them any of your personal information. Slickdeals does have 69 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are actually hiring 2 moderators. This is remote work from home. Skipping down here real quickly, it says they're looking for another 2 moderators, so they're hiring 2 people for this position to work the following hours. It looks like their needs are Monday through Thursday and Sunday, 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, off Friday and Saturday, and then Wednesday through Sunday, 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, being off on Monday and Tuesday. It is remote for the United States only. But this is going to be a non-phone position. It's going to be a contract position with TCW in partnership with Slickdeals. As a moderator, you're going to be responsible for making sure content on their site is abiding by the governing rules, policies, and guidelines. So you're basically going to be reviewing and checking a content against these guidelines and making sure that it is complying. You'll be responding directly to any reports from the community of potential violations and otherwise identifying content that is disallowed. So you'll directly act upon and respond to the reports from members of the community detailing potential violations of policies, rules, guidelines governing the website and specific forums. You'll proactively monitor those violations of the policies and guidelines. You'll document infractions made by users or merchants. You'll issue formal notifications, warning, and bans of users of the website when you discover them posting things that they should not be posting or otherwise discover infractions. You'll respond to protests of notifications, warnings, and bans issued to members of the online community. Of course, you'll communicate internally with your other team members for any other issues you identified that need to be brought up. Now, of course, a college degree is always preferred, but it is not required. The only required education is a high school diploma or equivalent like a GED. They're looking for somebody who has great interpersonal skills, great communication skills. Of course, somebody who has a thick skin. You're going to be dealing with sensitive topics sometimes. Of course, you really need to know how to use those Google Docs and Sheets, the online Google tools, and somebody who has a knowledge of internet-based terms such as IP, VPN. You know what these words mean. Now, the pay was a little bit buried in the actual application. You get down almost to the bottom of the application page and it says this position has an hourly pay rate of $20 an hour. Does this meet your salary requirements? So this position is paying $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And please share this video with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.